Hello guys, let's start our lesson about solving story problems with fractions. Here we have building arrays with color tiles to find the fraction parts of the model. Let's see here, we have 5 green tiles and 3 red tiles and 4 blue tiles. From how many tiles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What fraction of the array is green? So I'm going to write the number of green 5 over the total 12. What fraction of the array is blue? So I'm going to write the number of blue 4 over the total 12. Here we have 4 and 12 in the same table of 4. So I make simplify, divided 4, it will be 1 over 3. What fraction of the array is red? So I'm going to write the number of red 3 over the total 12. So it will be divided 3, it will be 1 over 4. What color represents 1 over 3 of the array? The answer, as we said, blue. How many tiles equal 1 over 4 of the array? So look here, 3 tiles. Example 1. 1 over 3 of the school garden has vegetables and 1 over 2 of the garden has flowers. What part of the garden is left to grow grass? We have two methods to solve this problem. The first one, we have to add 1 over 3 and 1 over 2. So let me look here. They are unlike denominator. So let's get the LCM. 2 is a prime and 3 is a prime. So 2 times 3 is 6. So let me write down 6 and 6. 3 times what? Give me 6 times 2 up and down. So it will be 2 over 6. Here 2 becomes 6. That means I make times 3 up and down. So it will be 3 over 6. Now 2 over 6 plus 3 over 6, it will be 5 over 6. Then the whole garden is 1. 1 means here, look down, 6 over 6. Then subtract vegetables and flowers parts from it to get the left part to grow grass. So I'm going to make 6 over 6 minus 5 over 6. It will be 1 over 6. Solve the following story problems with fractions. Henny has some small wooden cubes. He paints 1 over 3 of them in green and 1 over 4 of them in red. And 15 cubes are left without painting. What is the total number of cubes? First of all, we have to get the fraction of painted cubes. So I'm going to make 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4. Here they are unlike denominator. So let's get the LCM for 3 and 4. The LCM is 12. So let me see. 1 over 3 here means what times 3 give me 12? Times 4 up and down. So it will be 4 over 12. And now 1 over 4 is what? Over 12. That means I make times 3 up and down. So it will be 3 over 12. Now let's make adding 4 over 12 plus 3 over 12. It will be 7 over 12. Let me get the fraction of left cubes. 12. Here over 12 means 1 whole. So I will write 1 whole minus 7 over 12. Let me write 1 means 12 over 12 minus 7 over 12. It will be 5 over 12. Now the fraction of left cubes 5 over 12, and he told me here 15 cubes are left. So that's mean 5 over 12 of cubes is 15. So let me see. 5 over 12 is 15. That's mean I make times what? Times 3 up and down. So let me write 12 also times 3. It would be 36. So the total number of cubes is 36. Rudy and Sama bought some cookies. Rudy ate 3 over 8 of them and Sama ate 1 over 3 of them. And 14 cookies are left. What is the number of cookies did Rudy and Sama buy? So first, we have to write the fraction of 8 cookies. Let me write 3 over 8 plus 1 over 3. Here we have unlike denominator. So, let me write the LCM. The LCM is 24. Write in the draft 3 over 8 equal what over 24? That's mean I make times 3 up and down. So it will be 9 over 24. And also 1 over 3 is what over 24? That's mean times 8 up and down. It will be 8 over 24. Now let me write 9 over 24 plus 8 over 24. 9 plus 8 equals 17 over 24. So what is the fraction of left cookies? See here, denominator is 24. So 1 minus 17 over 24, 1 is whole. I can cross 1 and write 24 over 24 minus 17 over 24 to be like fractions. 24 minus 17 equals 7 over 24. This is the fraction of left cookies. And he told me here 14 cookies are left. That's mean 7 over 24 of cookies is 14. So let me write 7 over 24 equal 14 over what? Here 7 becomes 24. That's mean I make times 2 up and down. So also 24 times 2, it will be 48. So this is the total number of cookies is 48. A piece of ribbon is 12 over 15 meter long and a piece of 4 over 15 meter is cut from it. What is the fraction of the remaining ribbon? Here remaining means minus and they already have the same denominator. 12 over 15 minus 4 over 15. So 12 minus 4 equal 8 over 15 meter of ribbon. Yusuf spent 3 over 4 of an hour biking and 5 over 6 of an hour jogging. Afterwards, he swam for 1 over 8 of an hour. How much time did Yusuf exercise before he went swimming? So first, let me get Yusuf exercised 3 over 4 plus 5 over 6. Now, let me get the LCM of 4 and 6 to be like denominator. Now, the LCM is 12. So let me write in a draft 3 over 4 equal what over 12? That's mean times 3 times 3. So it will be 9 over 12. And also 5 over 6 equal what over 12? That's mean I make times 2 times 2. It will be 10 over 12. Now 9 over 12 plus 10 over 12. It will be 19 over 12. This is in improper fraction, so I must write it into simplest form. So let me write small and short long division. 19 divided 12, what is in table 12? Smallest and the nearest to 19. So I'm going to write 1 up. 1 times 12 equal 12. 19 minus 12 equal 7. Then write the word width. W means whole, D denominator, and N numerator. So I'm gonna write 1 and 7 over 2. Wafa's flowers garden consists of 3 over 7 cornflowers and 2 over 5 poppies. The rest of the garden is filled with roses. What fractions of the Wafa's garden is roses? So now let me write the fraction of roses means 1 whole minus 3 over 7 minus 2 over 5. Here we have two different denominator. So what is the LCM of 5 and 7? I will make 7 times 5 equals 35. So in the draft, 3 over 7 means what? Over 35. That means I make times 5 up and down. So it will be 15 over 35. And also 2 over 5 means what? Over 35. That means I make times 7 up and down. So it will be 14 over 7. What about the whole? Whole, I will cross it and write also 35 over 35 like the others to be like denominator. 35 over 35 minus 15 over 35 minus 14 over 35. Now let me start from the left. 35 minus 15 equal 20 over 35. Then make it minus 14 over 35. So it will be 6 over 35 numbers of roses. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed the video.